I thought in this video itself I will review my initial impressions on the riding gear which I am wearing. This is a full set of Aspida Touring Edition, and I felt like this location is also very nice. So we will start with the review. I just did an upgrade over my previous riding gear. As a biker, I always stay up for the safety of the biker, safety of myself. I recommend every one of you to get a proper riding gear when you hit the road. So I just wanted to tell you guys what is my first impression on this riding jacket, this riding pants, the shoes, everything. I almost did like 75 kilometers till now. So let's get started. So this is how my riding gear will be looking like. Top to bottom you can see. This is all set of Aspida set. My jacket is Prime Series Nemesis, and my touring pants are all season Odyssey touring pants, and that is the Orazzo shoes which you can see. So now to explain in detail, these are the Orazzo shoes which I bought it offline for 3,700, which is same in the Amazon and other websites as well, same price. I didn't got any discount or anything. These are really good and flexible for my type of riding and for my usage as of now. For the 75 kilometers ride which I did till now, for that I am telling. So it is completely protecting your ankle, and it has a steel toe in front of it. So there will not be any issue even though if you hit any stone or something while you are doing corners or while you are on the road and when you are doing off-roads. And this comes with a proper grip, if you see. So there is no chance where you will be getting slipped in muddy conditions or else. And these are waterproof. So once you cover your riding pants like this, on top of that, this will become fully waterproof. This is all about the Orazzo shoes. For this I will drop a link in the description. And next, coming to my riding pants, these are the Aspida all season touring riding pants. They have nice pockets and ventilations as well. And if you see, this whole part is covered with the level 2 protector, and as well as this knee part is also covered with the level 2 protector. Similarly for the other side as well. And it got a nice hip support and all. You will not be feeling any uncomfortableness while riding and while walking as well. As you can see, now I'm walking normally like how I wear my jeans and how I will walk. Similarly I'm walking, so there is no issue with that as well. And so here you have the ventilation. The main purpose, many of you guys think that there will not be any proper ventilation for wearing after wearing these pants and all. These have a proper ventilation, and it will come with multiple spaces, pockets and all, where you can keep your stuff like bike documents, whichever comes to handy whenever you wanted it. So now coming to my jacket, which I already explained in your previous vlog, where I did a review of my older set of riding gears. So again I will be explaining in detail. So this is the Nemesis Prime Series jacket. This is also made by Aspida. This also got the level 2 protectors left and right, and even for my back and chest also has a level 2 protector. And this jacket can survive from minus 10 degrees to plus 40 degrees. So that means you can do Ladakh as well as you can explore the sands of Rajasthan. So this is one of the best gear which I found within budget. Other one is my gloves. I don't know where I kept. Sorry, I am unable to see that. If you didn't saw that in my previous vlog, you can just go and see. I will drop a link of that somewhere over here. You can just go and check the video of that one. I have a Rhinox GT3 Air gloves, which are again level 2. They actually provide a very nice safety for my hands and all. So this is all about my riding gear. Now onwards, in every vlog, every video which I make with respect to the biking, riding and doing my breakfast rides or long touring, this will be the gear which I am going to use all the time. And one more thing to be added, this jacket and this riding pants, both of them will come along with two other liner sets. One is for sweat and one is for rain. So I will be dropping all the links of whatever I bought in the description. And if you guys have not seen my previous vlog about the helmet and the camera mount, everything, there will be a I button scrolling on the screen right now. After that shot, I couldn't record much. The mic was having some trouble and disturbance. And even I realized that the camera's battery was also running out of charge. But luckily, I was able to deliver you guys whatever the content I wanted to give you. So, other than what you saw till now, the other accessories which I have is like my Sena. So including which it almost costed me around 47k, almost like you can say like 200-300 variation. That's it. Yeah, so that's all about my riding gear. All the links are in the description. If you guys are interested in getting any one of them, you can go hit the links and you can get it yourself. So with that note, I will be closing my video. This is Shravan. See you in the next vlog. Signing off.